Ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce you to the great young stallion, Metallic Cat. One of the great young stallions of the National Cutting Horse Association, the NCHA Open Fraternity Champion in 2008, the NCHA Horse of the Year in 2009, Metallic Cat, owned by Alvin and Becky Foltz of Amarillo, Texas, and ridden by Bo Gallion. Metallic Cat is a one-of-a-kind horse. Very seldom in the cutting horse industry do you have a horse with charisma and the ability to go with it. He is the total package. He commands the attention of others while performing. Metallic Cat is athletic and extremely smart on a cow. The confidence that Metallic Cat and rider Bo Gallion had throughout the year made them the toughest combination to beat in the NCHA for 2009. Metallic Cat has shown 12 times and was in 12 finals. He has never lost a cow. Metallic Cat is sired by Highbrow Cat and Out of the Mare Cher Shadow, sired by Pep de Boonsmall. Metallic Cat is Highbrow Cat's top offspring for 2009, with earnings of $637,711. This 2005 Red Roan Stallion was the highest money-earning horse, all divisions in the NCHA, according to Equistat. Metallic Cat was the 2008 NCHA Open Fraternity Champion with Bo Gallion in the saddle, marking a 2:22. One of the top 10 runs of the year was the Open Derby Championship run by Metallic Cat at the 2009 Breeders' Invitational, and he marked a score of 2:28. Metallic Cat was the 2009 Tunica Open Reserve Champion with a score of 2:18. The 2009 Music City Fraternity Open Derby Champion was Metallic Cat with a score of 2:22. The 2009 NCHA Super Stakes Open Derby Reserve Champion was Metallic Cat with a score of 2:26. Metallic Cat was the 2009 Abilene Spectacular Open Derby Champion with a score of 2:23. Metallic Cat was the 2009 NCHA Horse of the Year and the second highest money-earning stallion in the history of the National Cutting Horse Association. Metallic Cat will be standing the 2010 breeding season at the Foltz Ranch in Amarillo, Texas, in conjunction with the Timber Creek Veterinary Hospital of Canyon, Texas. For more information about this great young stallion, you can go to www.metalliccat.com. He's the greatest son to date of the legendary sire Highbrow Cat, and he's the NCHA Horse of the Year. He's Metallic Cat.